Welcome to my presentation. I am here to present my managerial economics seminar on the topic name of law of demand. The law of demand works with the law of supply to explain how market economies allocate resources and determine the price of goods and services that we observe in the everyday transaction. And the price and the quantity we supplied, or the price and the demand are inversely proportional. In other words, we can say as the price increases, the demand decreases. As the price decreases, the demand increases. And now we are going to see about the demand curve, a graph that illustrates the demand for a product, and it shows how much a consumer desire for a product changes as the price changes. And this is the example for the demand curve. This curve illustrates the quantities of apple juice demanded at each price by all the consumers in the market. And this is the price of a bottle of apple juice, and this is the quantity demanded per week. And this is the curve which illustrates the demand curve. And now we are going to see the elasticity of the demands, and the elasticity of the demand refers to the degree to which demand responds to a change in economic factor. If we change the price, will the demand change a lot or little? Now we are going to see that. In elastic demand, if the price changes a little bit, the demand will change a lot. And if a demand for a good is very sensitive to changes in price, the demand is elastic demand. The example of the elastic demand is the price of the pizza goes up even a little bit, the demand goes down a lot. And this is the demand curve for the elastic demand for the pizza, and the curve here is flat. The inelastic demand is the demand for the good that the consumer will continue to buy despite a price increases is called inelastic demand. Even if a price changes a lot, demand changes very little. Example of the inelastic demand is the price of the soap goes up a lot, the demand stays almost the same. And this is the curve for the inelastic demand for soap, and the curve here is the steep.